Out here getting treated like a motherfucking lumberjack. Smoking blunts back to back, you know that's a fact. Don't make me attack. You live in a shack while I throw down a rack. Fuck is that? Man, what the fuck is that? Chillin' with the homes when I pull up in the neighborhood. Y'all's a bunch of clones smoking mid, man, I got that good. Choose a different tone, I recommend that you really should before you pick a bone. I'm just saying that would not be good. Hey, I'm wearing your bitch like a motherfucking oven mitt. Ba 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 ba, bitch, I'm loving it. I'm not gon' give up the shit just cause some other kid runs up and says he can spit. You want some other shit? Hey, they on that other shit, man. Hey, out here getting treated like a motherfucking lumberjack. Smoking blunts back to back, you know that's a fact. Don't make me attack. You live in a shack while I throw down a rack. Fuck is that? Man, what the fuck is that? I'm just fulfilling my destiny, making sure no one is next to me. All my opponents may rest in peace. Oh, they never should have messed with me. Never should have messed with me.